Now we will talk about the charges, how they are calculated, because many of you have asked the same question multiple times. So I will just try to clear it out. So I did share all the details with you earlier, but many of you couldn't understand. So I'm sharing over the screen. So for HKD and USD, the same fees. And for all other currencies, you see I have just written it in very clear information. So I have uploaded that information into ChatGPT and I have asked the same question. Like I have asked you to tell me how much fees for 100 USD. So for online transactions in USD, there is just a $1 fee, and for ATM withdrawals in USD, there is a $3 fee. Then I asked about how much it would be for 1000 INR. So in the total calculation, it's like for a 1000 INR online transaction, there's a 22 INR fee, and it's 42 INR card fee for withdrawal of 1000 INR from ATM. And this is actually not much, it's actually very nominal if you compare it with any other forex cards, and it's actually good. So if you see, I have also asked the same kind of questions for PKR and BDT. You can also slow down the video and check the calculations yourself. And this time I hope you guys understood the fees on RedotPay card. Some people also ask if they could use this card in any country, even if they registered from another country. The answer is yes. It's a forex card, works on all countries. If you are traveling to another country, you will still be able to use it in ATMs and websites. Okay, so there's one more question that you guys may ask about: what is the conversion rates that you guys get? So I would like to inform you that it is actually the same as what you see in Google. Like if we go and search in Google as USD to INR, so we get a rate here in RedotPay, it's like the same rate. Still, if you like to calculate. Then you could also go in your RedotPay app, and there you see at the top corner there a currency mentioned. You can click on that, you can change to any currency basically. So you see I have some amount in my particular wallet in USDT. So I will just note down the USDT amount and will also note how much INR or BDT it is showing me. And I went to ChatGPT and I asked the same questions. So you could basically see I'm getting around the same rate that is showing in the Google at the time of making this video. So hope this is also clear to you. Okay, many people have asked about the RedotPay card, like how the physical card actually works. So here I am attaching some of the videos, you could check it. Users from different countries using it, and they're just withdrawing their amount in their local currency. It's as easy as you normally use any cards in any ATMs. It is very easy and there are no issues. Okay, now you guys may also ask, like, so if I buy the card, will it work with NFC like tap and pay? Answer is yes, it works. I have also attached the video and showed you it actually works great. I am actually telling you, I don't know about you guys, but I actually like the card of how it looks. With the features that we are getting in this card, and also just see how good the card looks. I'm just getting it, that's it. Just go and get the card and don't think I'm sponsored, because I'm not. Just apply the discount coupon code that I have given you and enjoy. If you haven't joined our YouTube community yet, I request you to join to support us. You can go to our YouTube channel and click on the join button and choose any tiers and join in. You will also get a quite lot of benefits from it. Firstly, you will get the access of the badges and custom emojis. You get highlighted on all comments, posts and live chats. There are posts and polls for members only. And you also get special early access to all videos prior to others. There's also a specific tab only for community members. Not only that, there's a huge lot of other benefits that you will get, showing you some of them as per tiers. So we request you to please join our YouTube community and support us to help us create more good contents for you. And at the last, we would like to thank you for your support. Hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave any comment below if you still have any questions or any suggestions on the videos or improvements that we can make. And share it with your friends, and hope we meet again soon on the next video. Till then, bye.